Okay, so the project is about job seekers and companies finding them. So this is my homepage, which has the project homepage, which just gives an overview of how this project can give a visual view of the job applications. It shows how to it shows a very visual way of drilling down into students and getting students easily. It shows these regional stats. It shows preview. It has users and followers as well. So let's just log in and see what this thing can do. So let's log in as Bob and Bob. But before that, let's see Angular validations here. So here's some validations which is from the login page. Uh, there's a register page as well. So here's the register page. You can register as a user or a company. Um, let's log in as Bob right now. So this is the dashboard for the user. I'm using UI router over here instead of Angular routing, which provides nested views and states so that I can have multiple controllers on one page. I There's two types of people in this. So job seekers and companies. So this is the job seeker page where a user can save jobs and apply to jobs. Um, there could be multiple applications for a single job, and users can apply to multiple jobs. Users can also follow other users, as we will see. Let's go back to the overview page. Here you see a search bar to search jobs by companies, a place for holding jobs which are saved by the user. This feature lets you save jobs and visit them again from your dashboard. You can start searching for company, which is searching in the company bar over here. Let's do Red Hat because I love Red Hat now. Red. So, so you see jobs by Red Hat right now. Uh, you can go to jobs and you can see all the jobs over here. This is a search bar which searches in this job results. It does Angular filters, which is checking in the skills. So, for example, you can say Hadoop, and you get Hadoop jobs over here. Uh, you can say Sigma JS, and you see Sigma JS job over here. Okay. This has got server-side pagination from Mongo. So basically, you can have Mongo skip particular records and show a particular page. So right now it's set to 10. So as soon as you click on the next one, it would skip 10 and give the next 10 ones. So let's just look at this job now. So this job is basically having, like, say that it's applied. You can also save this job and it would appear in the overview page for the person. You can later view this page. Let's see that over here. So you can see this job again over here, and you can directly click on this and go back to the same page. So this view over here is common to both uh, both the users and companies. So what happens is uh, it tells you how many skills match for a particular user, which is over here, which is 0. uh, so the way this thing works is there's controllers which pass the data to the directives. These are different directives over here. This is the map directive. This is the chart directive. Uh, there's multiple controllers controlling this view, and two chart controllers and one map controller. The controllers pass their initial data to a directive, which then draws these charts. You can drill down to each data of this map by clicking on this, and This click updates the chart by using the services and broadcasts to the controller to listen. So when a broadcast happens, the controller passes the data to the directive again to redraw, and as the directive is listening on the data, it redraws once the data is updated. So this also happens through this way. So you can see there's Node.js. One person has one skill is in Node.js, one skill is in Python over here in Massachusetts, and all the students are of Master of Science here. Uh, the same way happens like there's C Sharp person, there's a Java person, and there's a Python person over here. Uh, so uh, like this is the job view for the user. There's let's So you can just click apply and just fill out this form to apply, and this goes in as an application, and this goes against the job. So companies can create jobs and users can apply to these jobs as applications. Uh, let's uh, let's see the following page. Let's see the following page. So you can follow and unfollow a person. You can see how many followers, no followers. You can see how many people you are following. You can see the users. You can see the companies which are registered with you. You can see all the people in this using this application as well, and it does many to many relationship over here. Uh, you have a profile for Bob, where Bob is supposedly supposed to fill all his details and save his profile. So it comes to the top and says profile is saved. It's also got a delete, which means delete user. Uh, let's log in as a company now. So let's log in as um, let's do Red Hat. So this is a completely different view. The company needs to fill out his details, which is like his company name and company location. You can have a picture as well. This You can go to jobs and create jobs. So this is like the create job CRUD operations. You can have your edit job here, which you can edit fields over here. There's applications related to jobs. So when a person fills out an application which is different from a job, it gets the same CRUD operations triggered from the job itself. So if a job is deleted, so are its applications. This also has server-side pagination, which happens from Mongo. Let's let's look at let's look at this. So it gets a different view for who applied to this job. Let's look at another job. Mm, so let's look at this job and gets a different view for who's applied to this job. Uh, you can see like this job ID has people from Massachusetts and people from California. They are from these cities. You can actually drill them down and say search. So this is D3JS, which is the tree layout. Uh, so you can check out who's from Boston as well, which is people from Northeastern and people from BU. You can click on this Bob Builder and you can see his resume and his style, which is dynamically filled from the profile details. Uh, so coming back to the tree view, so this is the tree view, which is the SVG tree layout, which appends the graph in the SVG elements and draws the chart. This data is fetched dynamically on select boxes, which enable like dynamic searching, which is enabled from here. So you can just say Boston and you just come to direct universities. Uh, the this is again a directive. The directive is watching on the data using scope.watch, and it's re-rendered every time the data is changed. Uh, it gets this applicant data view. It also gets student database, which is viewing like students if they want to. Uh, it's it's got a home page, but it's empty because I tried full text search by Mongo, which I had to scrape in the morning because of OpenShift. Ah, and there's also a free browse, which is like I just allow for two last jobs to be viewed, uh, 10 last jobs to be viewed, and like otherwise they have to join us before you know before doing anything else. Then so this is like the free guest mode in which the guest can log in, and you can log in with LinkedIn. So with LinkedIn, all the data is already pulled out, so you don't need to fill up the details in profile. So all these data is pulled from LinkedIn directly, and there's few more details which I didn't fill out because that's not available from LinkedIn. But these people who are logged in are everyone from LinkedIn, I guess. Everyone's using the site. Uh, so yeah, I hope this this helps job applications being viewed in a very graphical way. Thank you.